new 2025 Mazda 3, Japanese automaker Mazda has created a popular compact car. It will be known for its stylish design, and it will become a rival option in the compact car segment. In recent years, Mazda company has been adding advanced safety equipment and driver assistance to the Mazda 3, making it a safer choice. The next place will be the destination and assistant of Mazda 3. According to experts, it is being said that the 2025 Mazda 3 will be offered in both sedan and hatchback configurations, which will provide options for those looking for a car. The new Mazda 3 is going to offer a choice of efficient engines, a well-crafted interior with premium materials, a number of advanced technologies including Mazda's infotainment system, and comfortable ride comfort. Engine options for the new Mazda MAZDA3 include efficient 4-cylinder engines with Skyactiv technology, providing a balance between performance and fuel efficiency.